Our world has reached a heart-wrenching milestone. The COVID-19 pandemic has now claimed 2 million lives.
And while this tally is already unfathomable, experts believe the true extent is far worse, bolstering the urgent need for vaccination. This cathedral in central England offering a different kind of hope and help. Now serving as a makeshift vaccination site.
Day by day, hour by hour, we are making such strides in protecting the population.
The UK racing to put vaccines into the arms of millions of its citizens each week, and now restricting flights from South America, as it fears new variants of the virus from overseas.
We must take additional steps now to stop those strains from entering the countries.
3 variants first identified in Britain, South Africa, and Brazil are now spreading fast and beyond. In Brazil, COVID-19 patients are already suffocating to death due to a severe shortage of oxygen. Funeral cars arrive at hospitals often to pick up the dead.
More people are very likely to get infected. It is going to burden the healthcare system, it is only going to increase the number of deaths, and it is going to spread the illness faster throughout the country.
The super contagious COVID strains could become the dominant source of infection in the U.S. by March. That dire prediction from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention comes when vaccine rollouts from state to state are dismal at best. Right now, they're limited by the amount of doses they have.
We need to vaccinate 3/4 of the U.S. population to halt virus transmission. For many of the vaccines, it's 2 doses, so you're looking at upwards of 500 million immunizations between now and the end of August.
Americans anxious to get their shots will now be able to do so at the new drive-through super site at Los Angeles' iconic Dodger Stadium.
This site will move us closer to a day we can't wait to wake up and hear about. A day when we record 0 deaths here in Los Angeles. A day in which there are no more families devastated by this virus.
Only about 39% of vaccines distributed have actually been administered. Now, this is as the CDC predicts more than 400,000 American lives could be lost from the virus before Joe Biden's inauguration on Wednesday. Now, Biden has called for 100 million shots in his first 100 days in office. Caryn Ceolin, City News.